lift up your head. And then we'll slowly bring you forward. You're okay, I got you, babe. And when you're ready, you lift your chest up. Lift your head up. Ready? Perfect. And we'll slowly stretch your leg down to help you balance, okay? There you go, guys. There, wait. Oh, very good. I see you relaxing. Good. Okay. When you can, I want you to shift back on your bum, okay? Up, 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 up. And use your arms to balance you in front of you, okay? There we go. Now you're going to have to hold that head up, honey. Hold it up. There you go. Perfect.
On something?
On your tongue?
No.
That's some work right there. This is where it shows up.